So great job, girls. I hope you guys like your medals. Phenomenal job. I am so proud of you guys for winning second and third place, even though we didn't win first and win in every competition. Like I had shared earlier, we had so many wins, all those things you guys accomplished this year. So you guys are number one in my heart, and I hope you guys are number one in your heart as well. Because there are a lot of people who are supporting you guys and watching you guys. So continue to do great work. Okay. All right, you guys can go ahead and sit.